Alright, so today we're going to be replacing the interior door handle on a 96 Toyota Corolla. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. You're going to start out by removing this one center screw on the door. Then you're going to take the entire assembly and slide it forward, just like that. Then you're going to pull it away from the door. Now, here, you see this little clip? You're going to take it and you're going to pry it away from the bar. What it does is, it's like a little L shape. And we're going to say this is the bar that attaches to the handle to the lock. The bar actually sits inside this plastic piece here, and this little clip clips on like this and swings out. So you're going to want to pry this plastic piece away from the bar, but don't break it, because it's very easy to break. They're very difficult to get off in most cases. There, just like that. Now see how I was telling you it swings? Like, well, you can't really see it. I'll show you. Just like that. Now the bar just pulls out of the handle assembly. Just like that. As I break my handle. Anyway, like I was showing you, this just pivots. And this little bar slides into this hole. Yeah, that bar slides into this hole right here. So you go ahead and replace it with your new handle, which is right here. Okay. Now for installing it, it's pretty much self-explanatory. You just put the bar back inside that hole, like so. Re-clip that little plastic piece. Like so. Now these little pegs here slide in to the square holes in the door, and that's just so it clips onto the door. Shove it back in there like that and slide it back the way it was, and then you go ahead and put your screw back in like so, and you're done.